India.
Hello, my name is Andrew.
Summer in Serbia.
I'm from Mexico, Indonesia.
Belarus, Mexico, yes.
So maybe we can ask our friends from Cambodia.
Konnichiwa and Aloha. My name is Mami and I am a student from Phnom Penh, Cambodia. We are so happy to be with friends in Japan. In Japan, you have 4 beautiful seasons, which are spring, summer, winter, and autumn. While in Cambodia, our world is divided into 2 seasons, the dry season and the wet season. Today, we're going to show you how our plants and animals dance and we don't have rain. During the dry season, the land turns a beautiful golden color. The classic coffee or the rubber tree drop leaves to save water. But when the monsoon rains arrive in May, Cambodia turns a brilliant emerald green almost overnight. This is also the time our national flower, the mandula, smells the sweetest. Farmers also begin planting rice, and the rice fields act like a giant sponge that soaks up the water and makes home for plants and animals. The changing water levels are very important for our animals. During our dry season, water is scarce, so animals like the water buffalo spend their days burrowing in mudholes to stay cool. But in the wet season, the common South Lake, the largest river in Southeast Asia, actually changes direction and grows 5 times its size. This flood brings plenty of fish and food for our birds and wildlife. It's like a nature's own buffet.
Hello everyone, my name is Nana. My friend just told you how the water moves, but how do animals survive in? In Cambodia, we don't have snow, so our animals don't hibernate like today. Instead, they migrate. Every year, thousands of water birds, like the great transfer, flies to the flooded forest of Tonlesa to build nests. They wait for the water to rise because it protects their babies from predators on the ground. They wait for the water to rise. Some of our fish migrate by swimming hundreds of kilometers up to the Mekong River to migrate. They swim hundreds of kilometers to there. However, these patterns are changing because of climate change. Some our seasons are becoming unpredictable. Sometimes the dry season lasts too long, causing drought to make the ground crack. But other times, the rain comes all at once in big storm, causing flood that happen too early. This confuses the animal. If the water don't rise at the right time, the fish don't know when to swim and the bird don't know when to nest. This makes life very difficult for our farmer and for our wildlife. Even though we live far apart, the air we breathe and the climate we share still connect. We are working hard in our school to learn how to protect the environment, like planting trees and reducing plastic. Before we finish, we like to ask a question. In Japan, how does your local animal survive in the season? And how do they adapt? Thank you for listening, and we look forward to hearing your ideas.
Wow, thank you so much, Kelly. That's wonderful to hear from Cambodian students.
Okay, I can hear some students from India. Would you like to ask a question?
I want to know about the change in food patterns in Cambodia due to seasonal changes.
At Cambodia, we cannot eat bawasa or babaku or a cha or katil.
The Christian life food, right? Food.
Yeah. Not any drink.
Sure, drink different
Drink
drinks.
famous about the baju or tea.
Okay, thank you so much, teachers and students. It was great to connect with with you. Thank you for your time. I hope you learned a lot. And I hope to see you soon in other programs. Have a nice day, everyone. Thank you for sharing.